This is your science period, and we are in chapter 15 Light. Today is the sixth presentation of the same. In the last period, we studied about the lenses, the two types of the lenses, that is your convex lens and the concave lens. We will just in short discuss about these two lenses once again. A concave lens always produces a virtual image which is erect and smaller in size than the object. It diverges the light. It is also known as diverging lens. Whereas a convex lens forms both real and virtual image, it is used to obtain the magnified image. A convex lens converges the light, so it is known as the converging lens. So this is the discussion that we had yesterday during the period when we were talking of lenses. And today, children, we will start up with the sunlight. So we will talk of sunlight, white light, or the colored light. Here, children, I hope all of you have seen a rainbow which appears in the sky in the form of an arc after the rains. You might have seen the rainbow in the sky. It appears usually after the rains. When the sun is low in the sky, a rainbow is seen in the form of a large arc in the sky with many colors. Sometimes after it rains, the sun starts shining and we can see a rainbow in the sky. This rainbow consists of 7 colors, and this is formed by a dispersion of the white light of the sun through the transparent water droplets which are present within the air. The band of 7 colors is called the spectrum. The colors of the spectrum are denoted by VIBGYOR. Thus, the white light, which is actually composing of these several colors, they combine and appear white in color. So, we will be talking about it now. So, children, how many colors are there in a rainbow? There are 7 colors in a rainbow. So, I hope maybe those 7 colors are not so easily visible, but still we say 7 colors are seen. These 7 colors are red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. These colors we are talking from top to bottom. But when we talk of the term VIBGYOR, we say we are talking from the bottom. So the first color will be violet and the last color will be red. So this is how the arrangement of the colors is there. When we talk of it, the 7 colors, we say this is the band of 7 colors, as I said. So it is said to be a spectrum. The same colors are appearing in the soap bubbles also. So children, when we play with the soap and when we make the bubbles out of it, so we find these bubbles consist of these colors. Even the compact disc that we use nowadays in our day-to-day life, when the light reflects from the surface of it, again the 7 colors are seen. On the basis of these experiences in our day-to-day life, we say that sunlight is a mixture of different colors. So we say white light consists of 7 colors, for which we will be performing an activity which is given in your test book, that is 15.11, in which we will take a glass prism and we will allow a narrow beam of sunlight passing through a small hole within a window within a dark room to fall on the face of the prism. When the light coming out of the other face of the prism falls on the white sheet of paper, either on the white wall, which appears as a screen, then we observe these 7 colors which are similar to those in the rainbow. This shows that the sunlight consists of 7 colors. Here you can see the arrangement and you can see how the vibgyor appears like. The sunlight is said to be white light. This means that the white light consists of these 7 colors. So children, try to identify these colors and write them in your notebook. Now, another question to you. Can we mix these 7 colors to get the white light? Yes. For this one, here you again can see the arrangement of the same prism experiment, either the activity. Okay, so now we will be talking of the another activity, that is 15.12. Here we will take a circular cardboard disc of about 10 centimeter in diameter and we will divide this disc into 7 segments. And we will paint the 7 rainbow colors on these segments. You can also paste the color paper on these segments if not possible. So here this is how you can do it. Here you will form a disc like, okay. Now what we do? We make a small hole at the center of the disc and we will fix the disc loosely on the top of a refill or on a ball pen. Ensure that the disc rotates freely. Rotate the disc in the daylight. When the disc is rotated fast, the colors get mixed together and the disc appears to be whitish. Such a disc is popularly known as Newton's disc. So children, when you are rotating it, it will be appearing like this and it appears white in color. We can also prove that white light consists of 7 colors by using the Newton's disc. A Newton disc is made, as I said, by painting a disc with the 7 colors. This disc is then rotated very fast and when we see the colors of the disc, it seems to disappear and the disc appears white. This happens because of the effect of the image of the colors, which does not disappear immediately from the eye, but perish for a fraction of seconds when the disc rotates, and the color form images one after the other, and we see a combined effect of all these 7 colors, which is your white color. I hope children you have understood about the Newton disc also. Otherwise, are we able to see those 7 colors? So children, your home questions first. How many colors are present within a rainbow? Name them. The names also. And when do we see the rainbow in the sky? One more thing, we always see the rainbow on the opposite side of the sun. So in your textbook it is given that Pehli and Buzo, they also made a top like this. So if you want, you can just make it and you can just experience those 7 colors turning into white color, either appearing into white color. So Pehli prepared a small top with the circular disc with 7 rainbow colors painted on it, and when she rotated the top, it appears nearly white. So I hope children, all of you can perform this activity at home. It is told to you how to do. So hope so you have understood and this chapter is clear to you. Thank you. Sai Ram.